How to write a 2 questions essay for IELTS. Many criminals continue to commit crimes even after they are released from prison. The first question, what do you think are the causes of this situation? And the second question, what possible solutions can you suggest? This essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. The introduction, where I mention the details of the topic. Body para 1, where I answer the first question. Body para 2, where I answer the second question. And the conclusion, where I summarize the contents of the essay. For each of these paras, I will first explain the format and then show an example. Do note the important linking words in red letters. In the introduction, write the topic in your own words and mention what you will write in this essay. It has been seen that even after completing their sentence, most ex-convicts tend to return to their old practices of committing crimes. In this essay, I will discuss some of the reasons behind this situation and then provide some remedies to mitigate this problem. In para 1, answer the first question, and that is, what do you think are the causes of this? Once released into society, the life of people who have spent time in prison is full of hardship. They find it challenging to find stable jobs that could support them as well as their families. This is because, owing to their background, employers do not feel comfortable employing them, as lack of trust as well as lack of skills becomes the main factors of this. And this is what leads criminals to continue committing crimes, as they are not readily accepted into society and it becomes difficult for them to earn their daily bread. Now in para 2, answer the second question, which is, what possible solutions could you suggest? However, I feel that the plight of these people can be improved by implementing a number of measures. To begin with, jail authorities can introduce revenue-generating skill improvement programs like carpentry, plumbing, vehicle maintenance, etc., by which these ex-criminals can become readily employable immediately upon their release. Also, they could be provided with psychological counseling during their time in prison, so that they can become well-mannered human beings when they are returned into society. As for the conclusion, summarize the contents of the essay. To summarize, it is true that once a person has served the sentence of the crime that he has committed, it is very difficult for him to lead a good social life as well as professional life, and thus he has no choice but to return to a life of crime. However, this situation of such people can be greatly improved if some of the above mentioned measures are implemented. The next slide will show you the entire essay. You may pause to read at your own pace. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my channel to receive regular updates on IELTS and other related topics. You can do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon at the bottom right of this video. If you are interested in joining me for a one-on-one online session, then you can contact me by email or WhatsApp. My contact information can be found below this video in the description. Thank you for watching.